Hey guys, it's me Atharva, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve the 2 by 2 cube. Before showing you guys how to solve it, I'm going to make you guys familiar with the cube. So this cube has 8 corners: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So each corner has 3 colors. So this one has yellow, orange and blue. This one has white, blue and red. Each of the corner has 3 specific colors. So this one has white, orange and green. The cube in total has 6 colors: orange, green, red, blue, white and yellow. Yellow is opposite to white, red is opposite to orange and blue is opposite to green. So now let's make you guys familiar with the cube notations. This is the right side, you move it with your right hand. This is the left side, you move it with your left hand. This is the up side, you move it like this. This is the down side, you move it like this because it is down and this is up. And this is the back side, you move it like this. So you face this side and this is in the back, so it is the back side. And this is the front side, you face it and you move it like this. So now I'm gonna so first step in solving is to make a white layer. So now I'm gonna show you an example of a layer before scrambling the cube. So guys, before scrambling the cube, I'll show you guys what a layer is. So a layer is the one in which you make the white side and align all the side colors like this. So now we are going to see how to make a layer like this. So guys, now I have scrambled my cube, as you guys can see. So first we have to see a white corner. So white corners are the ones which have white color on them. So this one is a white corner, this one is a white corner, this one is a white corner and this one is also a white corner. So I have to pick any one of the white corners. So I'm going to pick this one. And then what you have to do is keep it on the bottom like this. You have to hold your cube and keep the white corner that you have picked right here. So now you have to check for white corners in the top layer. So as you guys can see, here is one. So now you have to see which colors they have in common, except for white, of course. So this one has green and orange, and this one has green and red. So the color they have in common is green. So this corner has green right here, so this corner should go here, and so they should match the green. So what you have to do in order to bring it right next to this corner and align the greens is to hold it on your right like this. Hold it with your right hand and repeat this 4 sequence of moves. So move your right side up, move the U side with right hand, move the right side down, move the U layer with your left hand, and repeat it. Right side up, U side with your right hand, right side down, and U layer with your left hand. Then you again have to repeat these moves until the white is facing down. So if you do it again like this, right side up with right hand, right side down and up with left hand, then it matches the color. In making a layer, during making a layer, you have to see which colors that you have to match. So I saw 2 green colors and I matched them. Now you have to see another white corner present in the top layer. So I saw this one, and the color this corner and this corner has in common other than white is red, because this has green red and this has blue red. So the main thing is to see the colors they have in common. If red would have been here, then this corner would have gone here, but red is here, so this corner should go here. So again you keep this corner right here and you repeat the 4 sequence of moves. And you repeat these until white is facing down and the colors are aligned. So now I again search for a white corner in the top. So as you guys can see, there is no white corner in the top because it is right here. It is in its position, but it is not flipped correctly. So you guys might run into such a problem when the white corner is in its spot but it's not oriented correctly. So what you have to do to remove it from here is repeat the 4 sequence of moves. Right side up, U with right hand, right side down, and U with left hand. So now it is in the top layer, and now to put it down here, we repeat the 4 sequence of moves. Right side up, U with right hand, right side down, U with left hand. Repeat those 4 sequence of moves, and yes, you have got a layer. So I'll show you guys another example of making a layer. So guys, now I have scrambled my cube again to show you guys another example of building a layer. So now I'm gonna pick this corner and keep it on the bottom, and the color it has is red and green. So we are gonna search for white corners in the top layer. So I see this one, and the color they have in common except for white is red. So it should go here next to the red color. So you move it here and you keep it on your right face and repeat the 4 sequence of moves. So if you guys can see, now both of these colors are matched and these are in its position. Now I see another corner which is in the top layer, white corner. So it has green and orange, but this doesn't have green and orange. So we move it. So this has green and orange, and this has green and red. So the colors they have in common except for white is green. So you move it right here where it's you have to match the green color, so it needs to be here. So you guys might think it is already matched, but it is not the white corner. So you have to bring this corner here. So then keep it in your right hand and repeat the 4 sequence of moves. Right side up, use U with your right hand, right side down, and U with your left hand. So now sometimes it can get solved in one move, means 4 time, or it can take up to 12 moves, or it can even take up to 20 moves to get this corner solved. So yeah, so now we have run into the problem again, and to take this out, of course, you have to repeat the 4 moves. So take it out like that, repeating the 4 sequence of moves, and then you again do the 4 moves to orient it or put it in its place. So now you guys can see we have made a layer. So now for the second layer. So as you guys can see, we have made a layer, and now what we have to do is pick any corner of the bottom layer. So I'm gonna pick this one and see if its corresponding corner is right here, means the color it has, the corner up should also have those colors. So this one doesn't have the colors that this corner has, so we move it and check if this one has the colors. No. So we move it again, and this one has the colors of this corner because orange and blue, so it's matched. So now what you guys have to do is check for other corners that have matched with the first layer corner. So this one is matched because the color scheme is matching. This one is not matched, green red, green orange. This one is also not matched because blue red, blue green. This one is also not matched because orange green, blue red. So you need to have either one or all 4 of the corners in the top layer. So sometimes you might run into a problem where you will have such a situation. So now as you guys can see, this corner is in its place because green red and green red. So it is in its place but not oriented correctly, and this corner is also in its place. So we don't need 2 corners in a place. We either need only 1 corner in its place, or all of them should be in their place. So if you run into such a situation, you move the top again and check if any other is in its place. So now this one is in its place. So what we are going to do now is repeat this sequence of moves. So what we are going to do is keep it on the right, the solved corner on the right, and then move it away. You move it away, you layer with your right hand like that, so it goes here. Then you take this side up like that. So first what you have to do is move this corner away so that it doesn't get scrambled. So move it away and take this side up, then move it back to its position right there, then move this side up, left side, like that, then move it here again, then move this side down, then move it to its place right here and move it down again. So if you repeat this sequence of moves, you will get all the corners in their place. So if you guys see now, this one is in its place and none of the other are in its place. So we repeat the sequence of moves again. This one aside. First, the most important thing is to place the solved one in the right. So move it aside, then take this side up, right side up, move it aside again, take this side up, put this in the back right there, put this down, move it in its original place and move it down. So now if you guys can see, this one is of course in its place already, this one is solved, this one is also in its place but not oriented correctly, and this one is solved. So now what you have to do is a very important step. So now you have to flip the cube so that white is on the top. So now you guys can see this one is solved properly and this one is also solved properly. So you only need to solve this one and this one. So the corner that you need to solve should be on your right side. Okay, this right side, it should be on your right side. Make sure it is on the right side and you don't do the sequence of moves with the solved corner. So what you have to do now is the sequence of moves that we did for making the first layer. It is like right side up, you with your right hand, right side down, you with your left hand. So you have to repeat the sequence of moves until yellow faces down. So now we do it again. Right side up, you with right hand, right side down, and you with left hand. So now if you guys can see, this is solved but this is unsolved. So what you have to do is move it with your layer like this, and then make sure the unsolved one is on your right like this. Then you again repeat the 4 sequence of moves. Right side up, move it with your right hand, right side down, move it with your left hand. So now you have to repeat it again and again till yellow faces the bottom, and make sure you do the ending you move, because then you won't scramble your cube and it will get solved. So you repeat the sequence of moves. So now if you guys can see, our cube is solved. And yeah, so if you do that correctly, your cube will get solved. And if your cube does not get solved, means you have done something incorrectly. So you need if your guys' cube does not get solved, then watch the video again to see in which step you have made a mistake. So hope you guys learned how to solve a 2x2. It's pretty easy. And so yeah, thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.